A very warm, sir. Started them, sir. Sir, recording started. A very warm good morning to all the respected dignitaries present over here.
Yeah.
A very warm good morning to all the faculty coordinators, sirs. Sri sorry. First of all, a very warm good morning to respected HOD sir, Roy Ryan sir. Sir is not present over here. So now we will going to faculty in charge of our MESA. A very warm good morning to Vinod Kumar sir, Anil Kumar sir, and Sumitra ma'am. And then going to our faculty members, a very warm good morning to all the faculty members present over here. Chandramouli sir, Anita ma'am, Sripati sir, and Om Prabhakar sir. I welcome all the students to our event RoboWar. Now we are going to have a glance on the rules of the event. So I will show you what are the rules. So we will be having a glance of 2 minutes on it, so that you will be having a good review over the event. Uh, Guys, as you can see, this is the event. In this, you are going to have two rounds. In the first round, we will be having a group discussion. In group discussion, you will be participating in the form of individual, and we will be taking the overall marks and divided by your team members. Like if you have your team of two people, each people should discuss about the event, what we have said in the previous. You need to say about your bot ideas and how you want to make a robo event for war. And in this discussion, you need to elaborate yourself and give a clean explanation about it. And we will be awarding a 10-point scale on this. And going to the second round, we will be having a online platform gameplay. It will be for a 5-point scale, so that it will be very easy for you. And guys, round one is individual and round two is individual. Like there is no qualification round. Like if you qualify for the first round, then only you will be going to second round. It's not like that. Round one is individual and round two is individual. So guys, in round two we'll be having a 5 minutes of game, so that we'll be taking a snap of your end results. And round one will be group discussion, which will be commenced right now. I request the first team who are ready can uh, raise your hands, and we'll be starting the group discussion for you. Sorry, sir. Sir, very warm welcome, sir. Rajanandran, sir. Our respected HOD, sir. Very good morning, sir.
Sir.
Sir. Yeah, I request B21 ME037 to start your group discussion. Hello. I
Hello,
request.
good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Brother, I'm single, I'm solo.
Yeah, okay, it's okay. Your roll number B18 ME037. Okay.
B21 ME037.
Yeah, okay. B21 ME037.
I want to share screen. Please, can you give me some
Yeah, I will give
permission?
permission. Yeah, actually, I gave you the permission to present.
1 second.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry, I cannot see. What?
Your screen is not
I,
visible.
I think you have not given me permission.
I gave you the permission actually.
Please, can you check once again? Right now it's
Yeah. Sumir, yeah, your mic is mute actually.
yes, brother. I am doing it.
Yeah. Just
Sorry,
make it fast.
sorry for the delay. Sorry, I cannot share that Prisma 3D screen. What I will do is I will make a PDF and after that I will share. Please, can you give me few minutes? Till then, I would like to give a chance to any other one. Sorry.
Yeah, okay. Next, which team is ready? Actually, I have the team list. Actually, team one, Veera Sai Teja B21 ME031, Sai Rishwant B21 ME034, N Sanjay B21 ME035, K Arvind B21 ME036. Guys, actually, they're in the meeting B21 ME031, your team. So that now it's your chance to showcase your talent. Guys, you need to start the group discussion as you are the team one. I request you people to turn on your mic and give us a reply at least.
Roll number 10. Roll number 10.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Unmute చేసుకోండి. Who's your team leader?
Sir, B18 organizer, sir.
Organizer, sir.
Yeah.
B21 CE010.
Yeah. Sir, they are from civil department. Guys, are you ready to start the group discussion?
Okay.
B21 CE043 and B21 CE0.
We need 10 minutes, senior.
Okay. B21ME0050 and B21ME058. Guys, are you ready?
Yes, bro.
Yeah, okay. You can start the group discussion, right?
Bro, due to my mobile problem, I cannot on my camera, bro.
Yeah, okay. You can continue with your mic on.
Hello,
And is
everybody.
your teammate present here?
Yeah, bro. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Ask him to turn on the video.
Akshay. Hello.
Hello, Akshay? Please turn on your video. Request you to turn on your video. Okay. Guys, now you can start the group discussion. You will be given a time of 2 to 3 minutes. In that, you need to say what are your ideas and how you want to make a robot.
Hello, everybody. Warm good morning to everyone and all. Respected teachers and my dear friends. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Let me introduce myself. This is B. Rajesh from Mechanical Branch. My first experience of building a bot. For preparation of bot, requirements are wheels, motors, weapons, controller, relays, remote controller, and lastly workshop. And first thing, chassis design. I use the sheets used to protect transformer values as they were readily available and people they are touch. I took measurements according to the designs. I use the cutter to cut the shapes and sizes and I weld them and grind the irregularities. And back side of the chassis I made wide shaped to avoid direct impacts. I make holes to fit the top cover of body but cutting measured strips and use drills to bore holes. And the next step, next part, fixing motors and wheels. To fix motors, I took proper measurements, drill the holes for motor shift, and then drill further more holes for fixing motors by fixing motors with screws and bolts. Hello.
Friend, can you please share your slide? Whatever you have
Sir,
designed, you please share it on your screen. Then you explain because it will be fetching you, right? If you speak only orally, so chance of getting marks is also low. If possible, try to display your model.
sir, I don't have system, sir.
Acha, మన phone నుంచి display చేయొచ్చు కదా. Through phone also you can display that.
Sir, నా మొబైల్ పగిలిపోయింది సార్.
Okay, then go on. Sorry, so you can proceed.
Sir. Next, fixing motors. I use hard materials sheets to provide wheels because wheels are the crucials. After that, electronic part. The major role in the boat. The electronics, the electronics are the connections from the controller and the boat is the wiring and something else wiring or wireless system controller and etc. Next, weapon system. I use the weapon that is metal cutting blade. I use the cutter as a weapon system. To rotate cutter, I use a motor. Then speed was sufficient for damaging of opposite boat. Finally, the boat has been successfully ready for the boat war. Thank you.
Roll number.
Sir,
Sir, his roll number is B21ME050 and next B21ME058.
050.
Yes,
Could you
sir.
send any photograph
sir,
of your WhatsApp in the group?
okay, sir.
50.
Sir,
WhatsApp, please send your Hello.
Okay, sir.
Photo of your in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir.
What's your name? Zero 50.
Sir, his room
Your
number
name, Amma.
50, sir. His name is Rajesh.
I think is facing some technical problem.
Yes, sir.
But make sure that you post your model in the WhatsApp group.
Rajesh,
Good. Best wishes to you.
Ma'am.
Rajesh,
Ma'am.
when you are having this problem, when you have faced this problem, the mobile problem,
2 days, ma'am.
2 days back means anyway you are having a partner with you, isn't it? Can't you share that information to him such that he can share?
Okay, ma'am. I'm sharing now.
So you should pre-planned, ma.
Yesterday morning, ma'am, this mobile has been broken.
Okay, ma. Yesterday morning, but you should see the other alternative.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, it's not, ma. Don't say sorry. So you should be in a position that you should focus somewhat. So that is the reason at all. Okay, ma. Continue.
Now, Akshay, you can talk.
Can I add it? Good morning, my dear friends and my seniors and my respected staff, teachers and staff. My name is Akshay Kumar. My partner is Rajesh. Today I am going to explain about what I have designed my robo with my partner Rajesh. I have used that metal sheet to cover the robo. And I have used some motors like uh, some power with the 75 watts. I have connected the parts of the robot by filling the holes by fitting the nuts. Then I have done metal strips both sides and wheels some weapons like gun, knife, gun like AK-47, which will in some marks. It will be and like some hammer and for seeing the far persons I have kept some scope like we can see from that and we can shoot easily. Then I have come uh, then I have done with, with metal sheets and some equipment like battery and some weapons like hammer, knife, gun. and some scoping like 4x or some measurements. I have taken that 4x by type to shoot the far person easily by using that scope. Then I have completed the robo by some like this equipment. I have done like this. It, its model is its model my friend Rajesh shared to me. Then I will post it in WhatsApp. Okay, that's all about my robo. What I have done. Okay, thank you. Hello. I have completed the explanation.
Okay, ma. Very good presentation. It's okay, but you please rectify the problem. Somewhat disturbance is there. Okay, Santosh, will you
Okay.
please continue for the next batch?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. I request next batch to raise your hand and Samir, are you ready? I request Samir B21ME037. I request the next team to actually not Samir. If next team is ready, you can actually participate. B21ME035, B21ME036. Guys, you are in the meeting. You can start the group discussion. B18ME031. Next team, start your presentation. Actually,
Uh, please make sure to ask questions. Whoever giving their presentation, okay? About
Okay.
1 minute time, you can give. I thought. Thank you.
I request the next team start your presentation. B21ME031. You guys are present in the meeting actually.
Well,
Hello, dear participants. This is the event. You are be ready to present whatever they're asking the organizers. So here you are giant. You are just you are not responding to the organizers' words.
Hello.
What this?
Hello, sir.
Everything you'll know. What is the event? How they are conducting? That organizers are informed earlierly. Please respond very quickly. Okay, thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Good morning, B21 M031.
Yes.
You
Good
can
morning,
start
Anna.
presentation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In my bot, I have some ideas in my mind. Mainly, when I make my bot, I will attach some weapons which would destroy others' bot. Like, for example, uh, I attach a long rod in front of my bot so that when enemy comes and hits me, that rod hits him in the reverse. That rod hits itself, and I would attach a spring before my board and attach that rod to that spring so that when other spot hits me in front of it, my rod that rod come back, and again due to the spring it goes back and hits him so that uh, his bot may destroy very badly. And one more idea I have is that keeping a hammer, small object like hammer, which should destroy the other spot. Hmm. I would use these weapons. I would use steel material to make my bot very strong. Hmm. I would make my bot look like a car with the four wheels.
Asma, excuse me, rule
Hello?
number
Yes.
31.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
on your video, ma? Can
My
you turn
video,
on
ma'am.
your video and show your model and explain?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't have a model. I just have some ideas. I just have some ideas that I am telling you about it.
Okay, continue.
I can show you some small design which didn't complete totally. With that, I can explain you.
Yeah,
Can
yeah,
I,
of
ma'am?
course, you can carry on with
Okay,
that
ma,
model.
go ahead.
There is no physical
Yes.
model. At least you explain with the figures.
Okay, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am? Hello? Is it visible, Anna? Bro? Here, it is my main body and it has four wheels. Can you see that? And in front of it, it is attached to a small spring, and that a rod is attached to it. I said I already said that a rod will be attached to a spring so that when anyone hits me, oppositely he will be losing. He will be attacked by this rod. This is my one. I can show you this.
What type of spring you attached there?
I attached.
You attached the spring there.
Yes, sir.
What is that spring? It is which type of it is a helical spring or what is the cross section?
Cross section. I am not understanding, sir. Actually.
Okay, any more?
So that's it. Can I off my mic?
Actually, your teammates are present here, right?
Yes.
I asked every team member to present themselves. So from each member from your team should present themselves here actually.
Okay, okay, bro.
Hello, Mr. Rishwant, turn on your mic. And your teammates actually Veera Sai Teja, Sanjay Aravind, B21 ME031, B21 ME034, B21 ME035, and 036. You guys are in the meeting and you guys are not responding actually.
Good morning, bro. Hello.
Morning.
Guys, all the teammates, please switch on your videos.
Videos actually switch on your videos. We'll take a snap.
Brother, actually, unfortunately, I'm outside, bro. So I'm unable to speak. There's a lot of so that.
There is a disturbance in the background actually.
Yes, brother. It's unfortunate to happen.
Yeah, okay, guys, continue with your presentation. Hello? Please switch on your mic.
Hello. Hello, but my voice is audible. Yes, ma'am.
You are audible. You can continue. B18 ME036.
As my friend said that we will make a board which is made up of steel, and we attach a weapon with the help of a spring so that if enemy attacks, then he attacks, he will same amount of energy that he applied. We have the Newton's third law. Every reaction has it equal and opposite reaction. So we implement that law in this with the help of spring. And we have another weapon which is called hammer. We use an iron piece so that it can damage a lot with to another. And we bought have 4 wheels so that it can move fastly and with agility. And
Hello, rule number 36. Have you attached that spring in front of your robo? Are you welded or bracing? How you are fixing the
Screw.
spring?
Screw, sir.
Screwing. That strength is enough?
Enough, sir.
Can that sustain that impact of opposite robo?
No, sir. It depends on others' weapon, no, sir.
That screwing, how it is possible? Spring, it is a coil shape.
Hi, sir.
What is diameter of that coil?
Washer, sir.
You have any figure how you are fixed the spring?
No, sir. I don't have any.
Sir, actually, can hello. Hello.
There is a disturbance near you, B21ME031. Now it's clear. You can start.
Sir, okay, sir. Actually, we fixed the spring with a screw and a washer because washer as its surface area is very high.
There is an echo near you. Your voice is repeating actually.
Okay, is it okay?
Rule number 31. I think you are logged into 2 devices. Yes.
No, actually, my friend
unmute.
0360 is also near me. That's why it is coming.
Actually, ask them to
Asking
move away from your
system to mute it.
Okay.
And mute చేసుకోమనండి system ని.
Okay, sir, it is clear. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. I request you to what are the sources you have followed up to make a model or plan a model.
We actually use
You might have
steel.
to
Yes, sir.
have an hello.
Hello, yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, you are
Number
audible, sir.
31 and your team. What are the sources you have gone through to make a model or a design a model? Any sources you have referred?
Actually, the sources.
Videos you have referred to make a model.
Actually, these are my own ideas, my own thoughts. I already watched some videos how to make a robot wide remote control car that I took, and for weapons, they are my own ideas. I didn't refer to anything. Just I referred some videos only how to make a bot. Just that's it.
What are your model specifications? Can you give?
My model is made up of steel and
Your idea is good. That's okay. Physically, your idea is good, but practically, it can face some problems. So you're not undergone any tests or any physical tests for that one. Sir was asked that material. You said that steel. So idea is good, but we should go. We can evaluate numerically or practically. It's some strength or next. Sir asked that what forces you are considering while designing that. You are not answered that question properly. So that is some at least some numerical calculations are you have to do for to evaluate that that is the strength of your that model.
okay, sir. I actually didn't do anything.
Santosh? Santosh?
Sir.
But in team, everyone should discuss these topics or only one or two?
No, everyone, sir. Everyone should
what
discuss.
About 34 and 35? They are not responding.
Yes. 35. There is a person behind you. Please come inside and talk. Actually,
The motor specifications are to be assembled into your robo. Motor specifications. You will have to choose a motor na. What are its specifications?
guys, sir is asking you only.
No. As you have mentioned, I appreciate your efforts that you have referred with some videos to make a model. At the same time, you should also make notes of that video. What are the specification, motor specifications they have taken into consideration? Okay, what is the material weight? Okay, many factors you will have to consider. Okay, like motor specification, horsepower, RPM, like those, and also the wheels to be considered. Any photograph or model which is, can you share them?
Guys, are you getting sir is saying?
Expected output model.
Sir is asking like what is the motor specification like RPM or board dia like that.
Can anybody respond to my question? How we can define a degrees of freedom in a robo? Please define degrees of freedoms. DOF. Based on degrees of freedom, we have to design that motion to your robo. So, can you idea about the degrees of freedoms? Anybody can respond from the team.
Degrees of freedom means we think in how many ways it can move.
So for your robot, how many degrees of freedoms are there?
Sir, for our robot, it just only it will move on roads, sir, with the help of wheels.
No, actually, sir is asking like in how many directions it will move. It will move on the road. In how many directions? Like there are few directions like north, south, east, west. Like in how many directions it can move forward, straight, back, right, left, cross
Actually,
direction.
forward and backward, sir.
What are the approximate weight of your robo?
Approximate weight almost for war.
No.
We thought it should be some more weight,
Number 35.
Sir.
Okay, please go ahead. Sorry.
Actually, we thought it should be more than.
Okay. How many wheels are you incorporated in your design? 4 or 6?
4, sir.
4. So What is the diameter you designed for that one?
Diameter.
Diameter of the wheel.
Diameter of the wheel just 2 centimeters, sir.
4 centimeters.
Yes, sir. 2 or 4.
It is only 2 centimeter height from the ground.
No, sir. Radius 2 centimeters, sir. Diameter 4.
Okay.
These students, our intention is also that you should also participate outside our college also. In that way only we are asking these because whenever you go for outside participation, it is on offline, you have to specify your model. You have to give specification of your model. It shows your uh, work on the model. What are the things you have observed keenly? Okay, because there will be some specifications particularly that you have to take, like half horsepower or 0.5 horsepower only. The weight dimensions are also limited. Okay, there will be some specification. If not matching with those specifications, then your bot will not be taken into consideration. Okay, and when you make a also duplicate go through videos, and when you prepare that is also welcome, because while you're preparing you will be getting through a idea so that you can improvise it well. Okay. So my question to you is, what is the basic model you want to, and what is that from there you have got that inspiration so that my model should be of type. Either a photograph or video you might have gone through, which you want to make a same model. Okay, na? Model photograph we share. I think you are not prepared in model right now. Hello? Yes,
Sir,
have you prepared any model?
No, sir.
But it is okay, semi-finished. Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, due to COVID, we haven't met each other, sir. So, see, the event may be offline. We can meet as we thought that this event will be on offline, but unfortunately it happened. So we cannot meet each other. So that we not discuss this, sir. Due to online classes.
To make that model also, you should initially prepare a frame. To prepare a frame, you should have gone through some how to prepare a frame, like you have to do welding works like that. Okay, what is the source which inspired you to make a model or a photograph? Anything source that inspired you to make the model or this robot? If you can share which inspired you, that you will be appreciated. I like your team with all the your team members are responding. All the best, Amma. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. All the best, guys, for your next round. Now we will be moving to the next person. Samir, actually, are you ready?
Yes, brother, I'm ready.
Yeah, okay. I'm making as the presenter.
One question, Amma. Rule number 131, 35, and other.
Sir, 31, 34, 35, 36.
Okay. 31 is the team lead.
Yes, sir.
Veerasaya. Yeah. Thank you, Andy.
Sir, now Samir, sir, his roll number is B21ME037, sir. He is now going to present his bot.
Brother, can you see my screen?
Yeah, actually, it's clear.
Is my model appearing?
Yes, it is visible. You can start with your presentation.
Hello, good morning to everyone. Good morning, sir. I am Mohammad Sumair, first year mechanical engineering, mechanical 2 section. This is my bot, and it is a tricycle bot. It has 3 wheels. The radius of the wheels are diameter of the wheels are 4 centimeter, and it is powered by 24 volts motor. And the inside this pyramid we have powerful batteries which powers the DC motors which are attached to the wheels. And this pier here, it is made of iron, and it has spikes on it. In this app, I could not make that design, and the actual design is with a spear. It is full of spikes, and this and above that one, it is suspended with a hard iron chain, and when we move, it is it will swing left to right in a movement of east to west. And here, this is a spike which is attached with the hydraulics, which is from up and down. It is movable up and down, and this spike can give a damage because it is made great damage because it is made of iron. And above there is a this is like a panzer which is having a gun. Yeah, this gun, and this spear you are looking, it is a storage which contains metal balls or marbles, and we have a motor inside which pumps the marble outside. And inside this pyramid we have batteries and a remote controlling system. This robot can move in all directions. The front wheel, you can see it is movable in practical in left to right direction. Basically, it's like an auto. And that's all, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Actually, it is a remote controlled or wireless.
It is wireless, and the whole wireless system is inside that pyramid, which is placed with the battery.
Okay. How it will be a wireless? Do you use any Bluetooth module like Arduino coding or like that anything?
No, brother. Actually, I didn't know about this thing, but I have decided to make it wirelessly.
Yeah, okay. Over to sir. Sir, you can continue, sir. Sir, Sripati sir. Chandramali sir.
For your team members,
Sir, he's a
team
solo.
member 37. Solo participation. Okay,
Yes.
good. You have prepared a model. That
Yes, sir.
Using prepared model of physical model.
Sir.
Physical model, sir is asking.
You have
No, sir,
designed
it is
your
not physically model.
model, na? So you prepared
No, sir. I have
physical
just
model of
designed it.
the same. Okay.
Sir, sorry,
What
sir.
is
Your voice is.
used?
Sir, Sripati sir, voice is breaking, sir.
What is
Hello,
the
dear
software
students.
used?
Sir, I
Hello,
have
please
used a
respond to my
Prisma 3D
question.
app. Sir, I have used a Prisma 3D app, which I got from Play Store. It's a mobile app. We can make some 3D objects from this app. Not full-fledged designing app, but it works.
Okay. Why you prefer that pyramid shape to that one?
Sir, I have preferred because of tricycle, sir.
Okay, what are the advantage with this pyramid compared to other shapes? Generally, most of that case they are using in the rectangular shape.
Sir, to look different, and it is compact, sir, as well.
Okay, different it's good, but what is the technical reason?
Inside I can put some storage space.
That's okay.
Like in top.
For in front also you are using same shape.
Yes, sir. Actually, it's a spike.
Okay.
This one
That's
is a. This one is a sharp.
It can tilt in with respect to fixed one. Fixing plus straight గా ఉంటుందా tilt అవుతుందా?
This is hydraulic, sir. It can move from up and down. That
only up
spike
and down.
one pyramid. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Up and down.
That is, in front that is just like are you observed for JCB? JCB blade will be there in front of that. That is just like that.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Just like that.
That can you tilt about that fixing end? Is it possible in your model? It can move up and down or it can twist.
No, sir. It can go only up and down, and it braces the impact, or else it might lift.
ఏంద్రా చెప్పిరా అయిపోయింది నేనేమన్నా నాకేమన్నా పంపి
Hello, sir.
Okay. What is the maximum height can lift?
Sir, it can lift up to 5 centimeters or more.
And 5 centimeter from its fixed end or 5 centimeter from the ground?
5 centimeters from the ground, sir.
Okay. What are the approximate weight for this robo?
Sir, approximate weight is up to 2 to 3 kgs because it is made up of iron.
What is the RPM of your motor?
Sir, those are 24 volts motor. That's all I know. I don't know how many rotations per minute does motor take place?
I asked you about that number of rotations, RPM, not your voltage used.
Sir, yes, sir. I don't know that how many rotations it takes per minute.
Okay. How many motors are used? Only single motor to control all three wheels?
No, sir. Three motors.
Three individual
individually.
motors.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To control that backside spare, how you can control that backside spare?
Sir, it is a independent spare which is suspended through a chain.
Okay.
And it is restricted only if in the movement of left to right. I mean east to west direction. That's all. And that spear has spikes on it, pointed spikes, which might cause a heavy damage to the opponent.
So can that front end and back end can operate individually or can we operate simultaneously?
Sir, only front end can we can operate. Back end it is independent. The spear which is hanged suspended through chain, it is independent. It is only it will depend on how we drive. When we
yeah, I have some doubt about that balancing of your vehicle. But it is suspending from some height. It will be in front of that. It is a certain height from that bottom. The balancing is achieved during that running.
Sir, sorry, sir. I did not get.
To test that physical model and do incorporate a required modification. So this model is very good. Your idea also is very good. But implementation, you can face some small technical problems. If you overcome this, it will become a good model. Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah, Samir, it's a very good presentation. Can you switch on your video actually for a minute? Share your presentation also, Samir. Turn on your video and share your 3D model actually, which we have done in the app.
This is for only participants or all judges also?
Sir?
This turn on videos for only participants?
No, sir. Actually, everyone should turn on their video, sir. Due to some network issues, some people are not turning their on video, sir.
Even judges also turn on the video?
Samir, can you turn on your video?
Rule number 37.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 37. You have been mentioning that it is hydraulically operated in your
yes, sir.
presentation.
Yeah.
Okay. Why you have opted to go with the hydraulic operated model? A specific reason?
With the help of system, we can move that pyramidal structure up and down from bottom of the ground to attain till a certain height. If it is fixed, there is no problem also. It's just an idea, but I don't know how to make a design. In future, I will try to make a design. I don't know that it is practical or not. It's an idea.
Thank you, Samir. It was a very good presentation from you. Okay. Next we will be moving. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But really, it's a good presentation, Samir. Even though you are in the first year, your ideas are very good. Please go through with the same ideas and implement in the further career also. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Next participants. Ma'am, actually, next team is from civil department, ma'am. They are in another event, ma'am. Actually, there is a event now in civil department. They said they will be joining in a few minutes.
Okay, Santosh.
Santosh, this is first round only, na?
Yes, sir. First round only, sir.
How many rounds are there?
Sir, 2 rounds only, sir.
Okay. And can we filter the few students from first round?
Sir, actually, it is dependent, sir. First round, if they qualify only first round, they will be entering second round. It's not like that, sir. They can participate both rounds, sir. Actually.
Okay.
B21CE011. Yeah. Are you B21CE011? Have you completed your event or your department?
Yes, senior.
Have you completed your event at your department?
No, senior.
Okay. How much time does it take? Does it take to complete your event at there?
I think more half an hour.
More half an hour.
Yes, senior.
Then actually, are you ready with your idea? Ready with your presentation? Hello, B21CE011. Can you ask your friends to join for it's 10 minutes only. You can present your presentation and you can move to your department again.
Okay, senior.
Yeah, okay. Just make it fast, okay?
Okay, senior.
Santosh.
Ma'am.
Still, how many students are there? How many teams are there?
Ma'am,
So,
actually,
round
4
one.
teams and ma'am,
Round one. How many teams are pending?
pending, ma'am. Ma'am, only one team is pending, ma'am, and one person is not available, ma'am. Her name is Ridhima. She is from IT department, ma'am.
So do it fast. Let us move for the second round also. We are
Yes.
having second round.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Continue.
సంతోష్ I'm unable, sir.
సార్
ఇప్పుడు why are you waiting?
సార్ ఇది సివిల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నుండి వస్తా అన్నారు సార్, వాళ్ళ కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం. వాళ్ళకి ఈవెంట్ అవుతుందంట అక్కడ.
How much time you are waiting?
Sir, we'll wait for 5 minutes, sir. Actually, they said they will be coming.
Because the time is lagging. Already it's 11:20.
Okay, sir.
You cannot wait for others. But after 2 to 3 minutes, you can start the event.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Santosh, can we allow them directly to second round?
Sure, sir.
Okay, we can start that second round with our existing students.
Okay, sir. We'll start, sir.
Okay. Them to present that second round of from any of our students.
I request Sushmit to show the game code. Actually, teammates who open your application and we'll be sharing the game code so that you can join in that. There will be two spectators. Myself and Sushmita will be in the opposite team. In one team I will be there and Sushmita will be other team. From each team, two participants can participate in the game. Actually, it's a game between two teams. This is the code. Open your game. There will be a room on the left side, right side bottom. Hello, guys, are you there?
Yes, brother.
B21ME058. Open your game application.
Where we have to enter the code?
It will be in the right corner bottom. There will be a room.
When I have to join, brother?
Now you can join. Actually, we are in the game itself. We will know if you have joined. So ask your teammate to also join. And
I'm solo.
oh, okay, you are solo. Okay, you can join. Actually, B21ME034 is there. You are a Matros Bulldog. B21. Who is Matros Bulldog?
Hello, bro. Hello.
Who is,
I'm
yeah,
36, bro. Matros Bulldog.
yeah, okay.
36.
Yeah, you are number 36, right?
Hi, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
bro.
B21 058. Yeah. In the right side bot column, there will be a room actually.
Friends play custom.
Yeah, okay. You wait for a minute. There are other people joined. We'll let you in the next round, next team.
Okay.
Who is Jetpackers Rider? Hello. Who is Jetpackers Rider? Can you say your roll number?
Roman 35.
Yeah, okay. 35. Now we are going to start the game. Uh,
Bro, how to join in this room, bro? I'm not able to.
okay, we will let you know. The game is starting actually.
Okay, brother.
Bro, I left from the game.
Okay. Wait for a second.
It's nice.
Bro, left hand bro.
Okay, wait. There are two members from your team, so we'll be playing. Actually, like we'll note their points, and next round you can join. We'll win individual points actually.
అరే వీళ్ళు నెక్స్ట్ జాయిన్ కావచ్చు నెక్స్ట్ ఇండివిజువల్ పాయింట్స్ అడే
Santosh,
Yes, sir.
what happened?
Actually, the game share కావట్లేదు సార్.
ఓకే, అదర్ టీమ్ కి అంటే గేమ్ మన నుండి షేర్ చేయాలా వాళ్ళు చేస్తారా?
బ్రో నెక్స్ట్ రూమ్ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు?
We will start actually within few minutes. It will be over.
హలో
హలో
హలో బ్రో, ఇప్పుడు నాకు రాకెట్రిక్స్ ఈవెంట్ ఉంది బ్రో.
Actually, we'll finish. Wait for a while.
ఓకే ఓకే.
Sir, actually, civil students have joined, sir. B21C010. Are you ready with your presentation, guys?
Senior,
Yeah.
shall
Hello?
we start?
Yeah, you can start actually.
Okay, senior. This is Bhavana from Civil Department, and our team members are Nandini, Soumya Rani. We prepared a robot car, and we used in it iron. We used a weapon called Viper. It runs through motor, and our weapon details are due to fast projectile speed and energy. Robot can suffer many hits from this weapon in a short period at a time, causing substantial accumulated dot. All of these characteristics made the Vipers an excellent weapon, as it combines high damage and accuracy with a useful corrosion effect and versatile. And sorry we didn't prepare our model, just we explained about it.
Do you have any sketch? Hello?
Just a minute, I'll.
Just you show line diagram of your model.
Wait, sir.
If it is not right there, please draw a line diagram on paper and show.
Hello? B21C010.
Just a minute, we will share.
Yeah, okay.
I can't see screen share option here.
Okay, wait a minute. Now you can see that you can share your screen.
Okay.
I have made you as the presenter now.
Okay, senior. This is our model. Are you able to see?
Yeah, it's visible actually. Like you want to make your robot like that?
Yes, senior.
Sir, Chandramali sir.
Santosh.
Sir, they are showing their picture. Actually show your picture.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What is this vertical one in front of your vehicle? This robo.
Here, remote controller sensor.
What type of sensors are used here? What type of sensors are used in this robo?
Just we planned to do like this, but we didn't.
So what is the purpose of sensors? What function will render by these sensors in your robo?
To control the robot.
It is remote control.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. It has both features.
What is it? What is the RPM of your motor?
Sir, actually.
Yeah. For control these four wheels, are you used individual motors or only one motor? How we can control the motion of these four wheels through individual motors?
Individual motors.
Individual motors. You know what is the RPM of that one motor?
Revolution per minute.
So how much volt of that one motor? What is the power required for that one motor?
1440.
It is AC or DC? Are you inputting AC power or DC power to this robo?
AC.
AC.
DC, sir,
robos.
DC.
DC, sir.
Okay.
DC, we are using.
So what is the approximate weight for this robo?
So we don't know.
Your robo weight.
Nearly 1 kg, sir.
1 kg, it is lightweight robo.
Yes, sir.
Can it sustain the impact of other robo which is 5 kgs?
No, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. It can fight, sir, because we use Viper weapon, which is very powerful.
Okay. What are the specific features of your robo? What is the approximate cost of this robo to assemblies all individual components? What are the approximate cost of this entire robo? You have any idea?
No, sir, we don't.
What? What is the cost of robo?
Nearly 1,000, sir.
1,000 rupees, it's enough. You are using the sensors, electronic components. What is the cost of one sensor? 4 wheels are there, motor is there. Your lightweight and low cost robo you are designed.
Sir, actually.
Yeah.
Sorry,
So you don't mind.
to say, sir.
While designing the robo, we should consider all these specifications. What I asked that questions. So that is the very
Yes,
important.
sir, but we.
Okay. Your idea is good. Okay, we can appreciate your effort. But while we are going to design, you have considered the cost, power required, what is the RPM of that motors, what are type of sensors, what is the sensing range. Next, how much of degrees of freedom for our robo, and your weight. Generally, we feel if it is weight is less, it will move very fast, but it should sustain that impact of other robo also. So that is the optimum weight should we can require. Next, what is the height of that wheels from the base? Like that, we have to consider some technical specifications while designing this robo. Okay, so you can incorporate all these in your design. Your idea is very good. Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Santosh, any more from your side or other faculty?
No, sir. Actually, idea is good, guys. If you implement it, it will be a very good idea. Actually, using sensors, there are more advantages. When opposite robot is in front of you, you can escape from there using a sensor like motion detector sensor. There will be many kinds of sensor. So make the use of them and gain some knowledge. Guys, are you ready to play the online platform game? Civil, guys. Beast 21 CE 011. It's just 3 minutes.
I can't get you, senior.
You can't get me. Actually, we said to download an application, right? Have you downloaded it?
Application name చూడలేదు, but we installed a game.
Yeah. That's what. Have you installed it?
No, senior.
No. Okay. Then guys, we'll be giving you a chance to say about a topic for 5 minutes, like your interested topic from your core in the sense civil department, like drawing, anything like that.
Related to subject?
Yeah, related to subject or like it's like a presentation. You can start and finish it just like fast. We'll be taking points from.
Can I present about green concrete?
Yeah, okay, you can.
Okay, senior, just a minute, I'll open it. I'll present.
Sir, Chandramoli sir.
సంతోష్
సార్ అయితే వీళ్ళు అది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలండి సార్, రావట్లే. వీళ్ళని 5 minutes ఒక ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఇవ్వమన్నా సార్, దాని నుండి మనం పాయింట్స్ తీసుకుందాం సార్ సెకండ్ రౌండ్ కి. ఓకే సార్.
సో వీళ్ళకి టైం ఇచ్చి వేరే టీం ఏదైనా రెడీగా ఉంటే వాళ్ళని మనం కాల్ చేయొచ్చు కదా.
యాక్చువల్లీ వీళ్ళకి వేరే ఈవెంట్ ఉందండి సార్, వీళ్ళు ప్రజెంట్ చేసి వెళ్తారు. మనము వీళ్ళతో ఇది కంప్లీట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్.
ఓకే సంతోష్, క్యాన్.
Yeah, okay. Guys, you can present yourself actually.
Okay, senior. Hey, senior, I'm presenting it. Hello everyone, this is about green concrete. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yeah, you're clear and loud actually.
Yes.
You can hear you.
Okay. And this is about concrete, which is a man-made material on this earth. It is an important construction material which exclusively used in buildings and bridges and in any construction. And there have a lot of types of concretes. Example, pervious concrete, polymer concrete, plain cement concrete, ready mix concrete, and
Excuse
our
me,
main green concrete.
సంతోష్
Yes, sir.
వాళ్ళని ఇట్లా పోర్ట్రేట్లా షేర్ చేయమని చెప్పరా, స్లైడ్ కనిపించట్లేదు.
Actually, rotate your phone. B011 B21 civil.
Okay,
Rotate
sir.
your. Yeah, actually, you can press their cross mark actually on the teams.
Yeah, it's okay.
Press the cross mark actually. We will be able to see if it is not there also. The teams shortcut form.
Okay, senior.
Yeah, it's now visible.
Now it's okay.
Can you turn on your video? You and your teammate.
Just a minute. I'll. Soumya Rani, turn on your video. Senior, I can't able to turn on. Its option gone.
Yeah. Okay. You are presenting, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, these are types of concretes. Our main topic is green concrete. An introduction of green concrete is green concrete was first invented in Denmark in the year 1998. It is a revolutionary topic of our history. Green concrete has nothing to do with color, because most of the people think green concrete is we have to add colors and everything, but not adding of colors. And actually, what is green concrete? A concrete that made with concrete waste and use less energy in its production and produces less carbon dioxide than normal one. And this green concrete is also eco-friendly and reduced environmental impact, means which saves energy and CO2 emissions out, and wastewater also uses. Actually, green concrete means we have converting waste material into useful concrete. And its actual definition is the concrete with material as a partial or complete replacement for cement or fine or coarse aggregates. The substances metal. By green concrete, in green concrete, what ingredients are used? We are using in green concrete ingredients are concrete is cement and consist of lime. The ingredients which consist of cement and as well as lime. During its manufacture of cement, its ingredients are heated up to 800 to 10,000 degrees Celsius. In this process, carbon dioxide is emitted out. Approximately 1 kg of cement releases 900 grams of carbon dioxide into atmosphere. These green concrete come into exist to reduce the emissions of carbon dioxide. The materials of green concrete are recycled demolition waste aggregate, manufactured salt, fly ash, glass aggregate, blast furnace slag, recycled concrete aggregate. And here are the pictures of materials for green concrete. Flesh, local aggregate, recycled demolition waste aggregate, blast furnace slag, fly ash, recycled concrete. In green concrete, main is fly ash material, which is a product produced during the operation of coal-fired power plants. The finely divided particles from the exhaust gases are collected in electrostatic precipitators, and it is known as fly ash. Advantages of this is Utilization of fly ash as a part replacement of cement as a mineral admixture in concrete saves on cement and hence the emission of CO2. And some are the technical benefits of use of fly ash in green concrete are reduced bleeding, reduced shrinkage, increased resistance to alkali silica reactivity, increased durability, higher ultimate strength. And it is about lightweight aggregate green concrete. The 28-day cube compressive strength of resulting lightweight aggregate concrete with density 1590 kg per meter cube and respective strength of 34 MPa. Most of normal weight aggregate of normal weight concrete is natural stone such as lime or granite. Applications of green concrete are we can construct bridges and buildings, columns and roads. Here are the pictures of applications of green concrete. Green concrete columns, green concrete bridges, dams and buildings. Suitability of green concrete in structures. Reduce the dead weight of a structure of a facade from 5 tons to about 3.5 tons. Good thermal fire resistance, sound insulation than the traditional granite rock, reduction of concrete industries CO2 emission by 30%, and increased concrete industries use waste produced by 20%. Green concrete requires less maintenance and repairs. And advantages of green concrete is reduction of shrinkage and creep, good thermal resistance and fire resistance, compressive strength, flexural behavior in fairly equal to that of the conventional concrete, and main advantage is it is eco-friendly with the environment, which does not harmful for environment. And its disadvantages are by using green concrete, stainless steel cost of reinforcement increases. Structures constructed with green concrete have comparatively less life than structures with conventional concrete. Split tensions of green concrete is less than the conventional concrete. And scope in India. We have green concrete is an revolutionary topic in the history of concrete industry. As green concrete is made with concrete waste, it does not take more time in India because industry is having problem to dispose waste. Also having reduced environment impact with revolution in CO2 emission. Final conclusion is it is a good thermal and fire resistant which consumes less energy and becomes economical. Thank you.
Thank you. It was a very good topic. Sir, over to you, sir. Sir Chandramal, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Can you answer to my question? What is the density of a normal brick? Not a green composite. Just if you use for cement, you said that is the density. It is 1,590 something. So what about the density of the normal brick? If you made it with cement.
It's more than, yes, yeah, sir. It's than 1,000, nearly 50, I think so, sir.
Density of this green concrete is less, or that normal cement is less?
Density of green concrete is less, sir.
Okay, what is that value of our general concrete? I am asking about that. What is the density value? You compare that numerical values. Just you presented your density of your green concrete only. But what about that our general cement? You said it is lightweight. It's okay, but what base we can accept that?
So the weight of the
Density of normal concrete is 2208 to 2230 grams, sir.
For that same size of brick? You said that is 28 days something. You said that whatever the density for that same days. Are you understand my question? Hello?
No, sir, once again. Once
Okay.
again.
So what is the cost of
Sanjita, please on your video.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Fine, super. Good, Sanjita. Please be
Good work,
online.
Sanjita.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thanks, Naveen and team. Now I invite Team Amarnath. Please put on your video and go with your experiment.
Next one also. Amarnath tarvata kuda cheppandi, please.
After Amarnath, Team Aravind, Team Sanjay, get ready.
Spotlight Amarnath.
Bro. I'm ready.
Please put on your video.
Video on. Hello. Video on.
Yeah, Amarnath, please put on your video.
Your mic is not necessary, Amarnath. Keep it in landscape.
Can you please show your rocket initially so that we can proceed with experiment later?
Rotation off change kanna.
Please
turn off your rotation.
Please rotate your phone. Yeah, thank you so much. Can you please move some little backward?
Okay, my name is Amarnath and my teammate.
Your rocket is not visible properly. Hold a second.
Also,
yeah,
please,
continue.
Keep your mobile in landscape. Rotation on landscape. So that complete picture. Yeah. Rotation on cheyandama.
Can I start, bro?
Yeah, please proceed.
Please, please. Rotation is not on. You're not getting complete picture. Chantan, it doesn't look good on YouTube, my friend.
Yes, so the students, please, there is a settings called rotate in your settings. So please on that. It would be good.
Go to settings, rotate on. Other participant, please kindly note this. Yeah, now it.
Yeah, please do the same. Remaining participants also. Yeah, it would be good.
Who is that under 18 kid there? Ask him to stay back, stay away. Otherwise, it will hit him. Under
Okay,
18,
bro.
please.
He's helping, bro.
I'm not your bro, my friend. I'm your teacher. Please mute your mic.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
అనిల్ మనం ఎప్పుడు ఎవరే ఇంక మన బ్యాచ్
అదే అబ్బాయికి ఏంటంటే ఇట్ విల్ హిట్ హీ డోంట్ నో అంటే అది నాజిల్ హిట్ అవుతుంది మళ్ళీ ఒక్కసారి.
And friends, one good news is that as our event is going on successfully, it is now live streaming. Everyone in the world can directly see you people live.
My friend, make sure no person get damaged with that body. Yeah. You know, set start, no? Okay, yeah. Please. Was the time recorded? Attempt 1 completed.
Bro,
please ask tell us when you are turning, like you're ready for attempt. You would have turned down our watch, right? What is that you're doing?
So please go for attempt 2.
Attempt 2. Go for attempt 2.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. No hurry, beta. Please be calm.
Okay, sir.
Please ask that kid to sit. Otherwise, it may hit back, man. It may hit back. Nozzle may hit back. Ask the kid to sit. Keep his
Okay,
head
sir.
heavy. Yeah, please. Kindly take time, please.
Okay, sir.
You see, you're observing that bottle is being moving with water up to certain distance. You can imagine what might be the situation of that nozzle. It can hit you very hard like a bullet.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
please.
Sir, we are
If
opening
you
the
are ready,
bottle.
please. Yeah, just a minute. Keep your camera steady. Keep it. Yeah, move. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, man. Right. Okay, Amarnath and team, please be online. Your time is being recorded. Next
Okay,
team,
sir.
please be ready.
Thanks,
Right.
Amarnath. Now I invite Team Aravind. Please put on your video. Team Aravind. Team Aravind, are you there? Team Aravind. So, Team Sanjay, are you there? Team Sanjay.
Yes, sir, but I am.
Can you please put on your video? Please put on your video. Sanjay, please put on your video. Team Aravind, at least team. Sir, actually, Arvind need 2 minutes of time. So Sanjay is not participating in the event. So he is somewhere else. And now invite Mr. Sumir. Please put on your video.
Let him do. Yes.
Yeah, Sumir.
He's from second year, first year, I think. Sumer, rotate karo jara. Please rotate your camera, right? Turn on rotate. Yeah. Settings में जाके turn on rotation. So that complete big picture will be. Go to settings and rotate on karo. Rotation on in settings. Not yet done. Yeah, good. Good, Sumer. On the west. You're on top of the building. Let me know where does it fall. Please, my dear friend, it should not hurt anyone. Where does it fall?
Please on your mic, Sumir.
Where it may harm
Sir,
other
beside
people, my dear. Is there any ground? It should not hurt anyone.
no, sir. Actually, I have better accident, so I can't go out from home right now. So if you allow, I will present, or else we will stop, sir.
And then, what about your surroundings, my dear friend? It may harm other people, right?
Okay, sir.
Later, you will say Kids College is conducting some event and doing like this. You will say, right?
Yes, sir.
For the safety,
Actually,
please
I have
kindly.
better.
Actually,
I have planned to do it outside, but I have met an accident.
At least you should fall with the minimum people area, like. Just check with your friends and please, Santan, please carry on.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
We will
not do the event, sir. I will not participate because here there are buildings and it might go into anyone house.
One possibility is you can directly into the air you can do, but it may fall.
Sir, and
Yeah,
it is
Anil sir,
even
and
difficult for us to
sir.
even calculate time of flight, sir, because we
Srinath
cannot
sir, please.
see actually where it is landing.
Yeah, Anil sir and all the organizers, we need to appreciate the student in spite of
Yes. So good morning,
going
sir.
accident scenario, he participating and
Yes,
right
sir.
to ensure the safety of other people. We appreciate him and we request him to not to continue, so that protection is also important. We have to take care as a responsible citizens.
Yes.
We have to take care
Yes, sir.
the safety of other people. Thank you.
Yes, sir, I agree with you. I will not participate. I will not do practical. Thank you, sir.
On behalf of all
No,
the
sir, good,
organizers,
good.
I
Sir is
welcome our
appreciating your
HOD,
spirit
sir.
for withdrawing from the Shantan, please carry on.
I welcome our HOD, sir, K. Rajanagandagadi, sir, into our event. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Observing from Deepika, Shantanu, all the people are doing great job. So as Anil sir raised one important point regarding safety of others, so that's why I'm requesting to not to permit him to continue, and simultaneously we have to appreciate his spirit. Right. So thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, now I request Mr. Team Aravind to put on his video. This is the last call for you.
Yeah. Shantan, one more thing. Ask Shumer to
Team
please stay
Aravind.
back. Okay. Shumer,
Yes,
stay
sir.
back.
Yeah, Sumir, you have to stay back in the meet.
Sir, I am present in the meeting.
Video. Last call for you.
Please. The same thing. Rotate your camera.
Please,
Keep your
can you
rotation
please
on.
show me your rocket so that I can take screenshot?
And for information for others, like Vinu sir and faculty, one girl participated with ID card. We have to really appreciate her. Even though she is away from institute, she is wearing her ID card on her neck and participated in this event. And what is her? Sanjita, I think. Yeah, Sanjita. So that shows the professionalism. That shows the professionalism when you are participating or when you are representing. When it is on media, right? It is on YouTube now. It is being recorded. People will get watch later. Your juniors are going to see this after 2 years or 3 years. Yeah, carry on, please. You carry on.
Can you start, sir?
Can you actually rotate your screen?
Go to settings and turn on rotation, my friend. Go to settings, then turn on rotation. Rotate your camera so that it will get full screen. One who is holding the camera, go to settings, turn on rotation. So you can rotate your camera. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Not yet. Try to rotate the camera. It's some angle. Rotation on చేయలేదమ్మా. think auto rotation లో ఉంది.
Wait, sir. One
That's
minute.
what I said. If you are there from the beginning, you would have known. These many times I would not have given instructions.
No,
When
sir.
the
We have
instruction,
robo. So we came late.
that's what. At least now, you can on rotation.
Okay, sir. Now, hello, hello.
There is an option called rotate in your settings. Please click that. Please make it to on. Yeah, it is good now.
Yeah, fine, fine.
No, okay.
Yeah, you can proceed with your experiment.
We have to appreciate the cameraman for responding very quick. So again, I'm instructing when you are doing an attempt, it should not hurt anyone. Okay. Even the person doing that experiment. Make sure that nozzle should not hit you. Precautions are must whenever you do some experiments.
Is the amount of water enough, sir?
I have already given the instructions. It is now up to you to decide how much amount of water you have to give and how much amount of air pressure you have to do.
Okay, okay, bro.
Yeah.
You must have ready with all these things earlier. Next team is ready.
Sir, I guess we are done, sir. This is the last team.
He's the one who asked for 2 minutes time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just can you announce the team name once again? Kotagiri.
Team Aravind, sir.
Aravind. Aravind and?
Yes, sir.
Team Aravind and Veera Sai Teja.
Okay. So do they know that they are having 2 attempts? Because they came late, they might have missed some instructions.
Yes, sir. We have already instructed them, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Instead of keeping calm, you can instruct them.
Yeah. So the team which you are performing, you will be having 2 attempts. Best of 2 will be considered.
Okay, bro.
So before starting, just inform us that you are getting started. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, since he is ready, please allow us to on our watch clock. Please, cameraman, be far. Person holding the camera, please be. I think it is. You're not ready, right? Okay. Have you not done any trials yesterday?
Yes, sir. Morning we did, sir. It worked
So,
well.
what is the problem now? What is the problem? Is pump not working or
Not
were you
working,
able
sir.
to do it? What will you do now?
Sir,
మార్నింగ్ వెళ్ళింది సార్ వీడియో కూడా ఉంది
we
సార్
have saved one video, sir. Can we share that?
No, video is not applicable. You have to do that in live.
Please move the plunger up and down so that you'll get some air intake and air out. కొంచెం అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ చేయండి అమ్మ రెసిప్రొకేషన్ పంప్ని వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ
Friends, if you have any problem with pump set, so please bring the other one and go for a trial, right? So meanwhile, we will go for another candidate.
Sir, this is the last team, sir, actually.
Last team, huh? So Bhaiya, so we will give 5 minutes of time.
Last team.
So in that 5 minutes, you please get a new one.
Okay, sir. We'll bring.
Right?
I'll tell you one technique. Ajay, what is his name?
Aravind, sir.
Aravind. Just block the pump. ఎండ్ దగ్గర బ్లాక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి చెప్తాను. పంప్ ఎండ్ దగ్గర బ్లాక్ క్లోజ్ చేయండి. విల్ చెక్ బ్లాక్ చేయండి. మీరు పంప్ చేయండి ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. నో
ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్
fault is with pump.
Yes, sir. My brother is bringing one more.
Can you do it in 5 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Please. Yeah. Shantan, please go with the proceedings.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So yeah, Team Agwin, you have 5 minutes of time to get back your new pump.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shantan and team, once again announce what we are going to do next. So
Yes,
that
sir.
participants will get some information, right?
Yes, sir. So the top
Don't be
5
calm.
teams
Yeah.
from round 1, that is designing, and the round 2, which is experiment, will be taking average from both the rounds, and will be taking top 5 teams, and they are going into Viva round. So everyone be in the teams and stay active.
So Team Arvind, your time is up and please continue. Team Arvind. Arvind and team.
Team Arvind, please on your video.
Brother, we didn't get any pump, bro.
Okay, then sorry, we can't take up because we have time constraint and we have dedicated slots. Yeah, so sorry.
Okay, bro. Okay.
By the way, please do not leave the meeting.
Okay.
No, stay back. So now we are done with this round, and please hold for 2 minutes everyone until we come up with the result, and please do not leave the meet. I request everyone please be active and we'll come up with the result within 2 minutes. Thank you.
Meanwhile, some questions to the participants who can answer. They can raise a hand. We'll allow you to unmute yourself. Then you have to answer. Okay. I'll ask some questions. Just general questions. Why do we use rockets, and where do we use rocket? From where do we launch rockets? Okay, these are few questions. Answer me who know these things. Why do we use rockets? What for we are going to use rockets? From where do we launch rockets generally? Okay, please, those who know, they can raise your hand.
Yeah, and meanwhile, I'm going to give instructions for Viva. So
Yeah,
each and everyone.
9 raised. 9
Yes.
can unmute. Yes. 9, you can answer.
Sir, rockets are used to launch satellites.
Please, may I know your name? Deepika, right?
Sir, this is Deepika, sir.
Yeah.
Deepika, if possible, you can on your video.
Yeah. Proceed, Deepika.
Sir, rockets are used to launch satellites.
Satellites. Okay. What is the difference between missiles and rockets?
Sir?
Missiles and rockets?
Design, sir.
Missiles.
Missile.
MISSILE, missile.
Missile man Abdul Kalam.
Can you hear me? Yeah. MISSILE, missile. Missile na missile అంటాం కదా.
Yes, sir.
క్షిపణియా తెలుగులో? Yeah. You might have seen on Republic Day. Difference తెలుసా నాన్న? Missile కి rocket కి. సరే proceed. From where do we launch rockets? ఒక ఏరియా నుంచి మనము జనరల్ రాకెట్ లాంచ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం.
Yes, sir.
ఆ ఏరియా పేరు తెలుసా? ఎవరికైనా తెలిస్తే దే కెన్ అన్మ్యూట్ దర్ మైక్ అండ్ దే కెన్ సే ప్లీజ్. Does anyone in this team other than organizers? If no one knows, I will allow it and pass the mic to organizers. They have to answer me. From where do we launch rockets or satellites? What is that place we call? Is it in India? Is it in Telangana or is it in AP?
Sir, I think it is from Sriharikota.
Good. Okay. Who will launch these rockets? Are there any departments or are there any organizations who launch these rockets or satellites?
ISRO.
Other than Deepika, can anyone answer what is the full form of ISRO?
Rule number 53.
SRO?
Rule number 53.
Can anyone? Yeah, Sumer, can you answer? Why? Because you didn't perform well, right? So we are giving one chance. If you could answer, Sumer and